Good morning. Today I went out to walk my dog while reading with my pillow pen. Today is a pillow day. We will stay on the bed and move gently. Let's begin. Lying on your back, gently hug one knee toward your chest while the other leg relaxes long. Move slowly, switch inside. Hug both knees in. Gently rock side to side. Keep the movement small and comfortable. Come into reclined bound angel pose. Bring the soles of your feet together and let the knees rest on the bed or pillows. There is no need to open the hips. Shavasana, releasing your leg and lift your body. If you like, place your hand on your belly. Before your periods, your mind may feel foggy and unfocused. When breathing starts, pain may arrive, and you may need a few days of your rest. You don't need to push yourself. You don't blame yourself. Right now, there's a restaurant next to my house. Someone is probably parking in my garden again. It's very small things. I don't have to make it a big one. My body isn't feel well today. There are no energy left for fighting. The crowd around. Today I rest. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.